Hello guys. Okay, so if you didn't see in the title, there is no studio vlog this week. The reason why is because if you don't know, okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Shelly. I am a mandala artist. I do dot art mandalas and digital art mandalas. And typically, normally, I do studio vlogs and I am a part-time artist. I only create pretty much on my days off or if I have extra free time during the week, right? So this week, the reason why we're not having a studio vlog this week is because I had to work, right? So I normally, when I paint, I normally paint in the morning before my kids get out of bed. And then the rest of the day I am present with them and I'm doing stuff with them, chores too. But that's what I typically do. And then I normally have one day off where the kids are at school, and that is when I do the majority of my filming, is on that day. And then sometimes I'm able to do some stuff in the evenings when, I try not to vlog or do any kind of art studio stuff when my kids are home. I just don't like doing it. And so I kind of wanted to explain that. And then I also wanted to share that because I actually had to work Monday and shift my schedule a little bit, I wanted to tell you that we're doing something really exciting. And I'm going to share a bit of it with you. And then you'll just have to come back next week to see what the final situation was. But I am very excited. My daughter's birthday is on the 3rd and we booked something super exciting for her. And I'll give you a little hint. I have featured this creature in my art. So if you think you know what it is, leave a comment and let me know what your guesses are. Because next week's vlog, I'm definitely going to share a little bit of our excursion and experience that we have booked. And I'm super excited for her and I cannot wait, actually, because I get to do it too. And so, yeah, so very exciting stuff happening. It will be in the next vlog. If you are new here, please, if you want to see my actual studios, like my normal studio vlogs, go back onto my page. I've got a ton of them. I've got up to 75 vlogs now, which is nuts. I need to do something special for my 100th vlog. But this one obviously doesn't count, but I just wanted to let you know why we're not having a vlog this week. And I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for being here. Keep creating and growing, and I'll see you in the next one.